This afternoon, I'll be speaking about unshakable faith. Let us look to Hebrews chapter 11, verses 1 to 3.
फोथायनाया बरसा खालामजानायफोराव सोनारनाय जोङो नुनो मोनि मानिफोरनि मिथिखानाय मानोना बेजों आजौ आजैफ्रा मोजां साखि होनायमोन फोथायनायजों जोङो मिथिनो मोनो संसारा ईश्वरनि बाथ्राजों दाजाबाय जों नुनो मोननाय मानि नुनो मोनिफोरनि नुजानाय
Today I want to talk about something that's really important for all of us. Faith is what helps us to trust God. Even when we can't see what is ahead. It gives us the courage to take risks and follow God's plan for our lives. What is faith according to the Bible? Hebrews 11 verse 1 speaks about the substance of things hoped for. The evidence of things not seen. In other words, faith is trusting in something we can't see or touch. It is like trusting in a chair to hold our weight. Even though we can't see the chair of eternal structure. When we see in the book of the Old Testament, we see some man and woman. Number one, Abraham. Abraham was asked to leave his home and move to some other place. He didn't even know. But he trusted the Lord. In Hebrews chapter 11, if we look at verses 8 to 10, Abraham went to the land where he don't even know. He trusted the Lord. We see in the life of Moses. Moses was raised in the Pharaoh's family. He was trained very well. He was educated. He was strong. He was next to the ear. But when God said to Moses, you should lead your people, the Israelites. He knows that he will face a lot of challenges. But he said, okay. We can see a woman called Rahab. Rahab was a prostitute who lived in Jericho. When the Israelites came to conquer the city, she trusted God and helped the Israelites. Even though it meant risking her own life, she knew that is not right for her to do. But she heard the stories about God blessed the Israelites. She knew that the God of Israel is a true God. She reads her life. We can see another woman, Queen Esther.
Queen Esther जाहैबाय रानी
When
Esther
Israelites were about to kill, when all the Jews were about to kill,
जेब्ला गासै इजराइलखौ हासथारनो नागिरदोंमोन
she went ahead to the king
बियो राजानि खाथियाव थांदोंमोन
and asked for the life of the Israelites.
आरो इजराइलिफोरनि जिबननि थाखाय बियो बिहैदोंमोन
This afternoon,
बे बेलासे समाव
we are listening to the unshakable faith
जोङो बिदि समाव जायै फोथायनायनि सोमोन्दै जों सावरायनि
in our place.
जोंनि जायगायावहा
We were headhunters earlier.
बे जोंनि जायगायाव जाहैबाय बिदि गोदना हासौग्रा
The one who bring more heads were honored.
जानो बिदि गोबां खर'खौ लानानै फैयो बिथांमोना बिदि मान मोनोमोन
The one who kill more people are treasured.
जायफोरानो बांसिन मानसि सिथारनानै खर'खौ लाबोयो
He became the hero.
बिनि हिर' जाना थानो हायोमोन
Even the girls, beautiful girls, will like the people who bring more heads.
आंखि जायफ्रा बिदि समायना सिख्लाफोर जायफ्रा गोबां खर'फोरखौ लाना फैयो बिसोरखौ मान होयोमोन
There was an orphan.
सासे बिदि बिमा बिफा गैजायै बिदि गथ'
He was the prince of that village
आरो बे गामिनि सासे प्रिन्स एबा राजकुंग्रि बायदिमोन
in Manipur.
मणिपुरावहा
His parents were killed
बिथांनि बिमा बिफाफ्रा सिथारजाबाय
and he grew up as an orphan.
आरो बे बिमा बिफा गैजायै बिदिहाय बिदि
He was a strong guy.
सासे गेदेर बोलोगोरा सासे
He
सुबुं
was very brilliant.
सासे आदों साननो गोरोंमोन
One day in a kingdom,
सानसेखालि बे मोनसे हादोराव बिदि राज
he participated in wrestling.
बे बिदिहाय खोमलायनाय बग्रायलायनाय बिदि बादायनायाव
He got first.
आरो बेयावबो सेथि गसंनो हाबाय
He joined the race.
बियो खारनायाव बाहागो लाबाय
He got first.
बेयावबो सेथि जायगा मोननो हाबाय
He joined the javelin throw.
बियो बिदिहाय जं खुबैनायाव बाहागो
He
लाबाय
got first.
बेयावबो बे सेथि जायगा मोननो हाबाय
The princess of that kingdom liked him.
आरो बे रायजोनि राजकुंगुरा बेखौ
She
मोजां मोनबाय
fell in love with him.
आरो बियो बिजोंहा मोजां मोनलायबाय
On the final day,
जोबथा सानावहा
the princess asked her father,
बे राजकुंगुरिया गावनि बिफाखौ सोंबाय
I would like to give the trophy to him.
आङो बे ट्रफिखौहा बेनो होनो इच्ছা खालामदों
When she came forward,
जेब्ला बियो सिगाङाव फैबाय
he was handsome,
आरो बियो आरो समायनामोन
strong,
आरो बोलोगोरामोन
very brilliant.
आरो बिराद साननो गोरोंमोन
She gave the trophy
आरो बे ट्रफिखौ
on behalf of her father.
बेनि बिफानि जायगायावहा बे बिखौ गथायबाय
And they came to know each other.
आरो बिदिहाय बिथांमोना सानैजों मिथिज्लायबाय
They fell in love.
आरो बिदि मोजां मोनलायबाय
One day,
सानसेखालि
he came for her hands to the father.
आरो बे गावनि बिफानियावहा बेनि लागै आखाइखौ बिफैबाय
He asked the princess' hand to the king.
बियो बे राजकुंग्रिनि आखाइखौ बिबाय बा हाबा लानो बुंबाय
So he came to know that he is an orphan.
आरो बेयाव मिथिबाय जे बे सासे बिमा बिफा गैजायै बिदि सेंग्रासो
My son,
आंनि बिसाज्ला
I am the king.
आङो बे रायजोनि राजा
My daughter is the princess.
आंनि बे फिसाजो जाबाय राजकुंग्रि
You are just an orphan.
नोङो सासे बिमा बिफा गैजायै
I cannot give my daughter to an orphan.
आंनि गावनि फिसाजोखौ आङो सासे बिमा बिफा गैजायै बिदि सुबुं आं होनो हाया
But you both fell in love.
नाथाय नोंसोर सानैबो मोजां मोनलायबाय
So with one condition I can give you.
नाथाय आं मोनसे बिदि जाहोनजों आं नोंनो होनो हागोन
If you can bring 100 strong heads,
जुदिहाय नोङो 100 बिदि खर'फोर लाबोनो हायोब्ला
I can give you my daughter.
आं आंनि फिसाजोखौ नोंनो होनो हागोन
He paused for some time.
बे दसे समलागै बे सिरि थाबाय
He said, okay, I can bring.
आं बुंबाय जे जागोन आं लाबोनो हागोन
So the king ordered him, commanded him,
आरो बे राजाया बेनोहा बिथोन होबाय
you go to that village,
नोङो बै गामियाव थांदो
go to that mountains,
बै हाजोआव थांदो
bring all my enemies head.
आरो गासै आंनि सुथुरफोरनि खर'खौ लानानै
So for that young man,
आरो बे सेंग्रा मानसिनि थाखाय
it is very easy for him.
बेनि बे जोबोद गोरलै जाबाय
His duty, his work is to just kill the people.
बेनि जिथु खामानि बिनि जिथु मावनो गोनां बे जाहैबाय अखल मानसि सिथारनोल'सो नांगौ
He said, okay.
बे बुंबाय जागोन
Before he leave his beloved girlfriend,
बे थांनायनि सिगां गावनि मोजां मोननाय बे सिख्लाखौहा बा राजकुंग्रिखौहा
he said, I'll come back
बे बुंबाय जे आङो फैफिनगोन
and take you.
आरो आं नोंखौ लानानै थांगोन
But give me a few days.
आंनो साननैसोल' सम होदो
As soon as he moved,
जेब्ला बे थांबायनो
he started killing people.
बियो अब्लानो मानसिफोर सिथारनो
He
हमबाय
collected all the strong men that the king ordered.
आरो बे राजाया थोननाय बादि बिदि बोलोग्रा मानसिफोरनि खर'खौ लानानै फैबाय
Finally,
जोबनायावहा
one day the Western missionaries came to that mountain.
बे मोनसे हाजोआवहा सोनाबनि बिदि इसोरनि गाहाम बाथ्रा फोसावग्राफोरखौ फैदोंमोन
The young man brought 99 heads.
बे बोलोग्रा मानसिया 99 बिदि खरबो लाना फैबाय
But every time he killed,
जि समावनो बियो सिथारो
in his dream,
बेनि सिमाङावहा
there is a light, there is a ray of light
बेहा मोनसे स्रांखौ बे नुनो मोनदों
in the dream,
बेनि सिमाङावहा
a hand that is stretching to hold him up.
आरो मोनसे आखाइ नुजादों आरो बे आखाइखौ दैखांनो नागिरदों
He didn't know,
आरो बे मिन्थियामोन
he cannot interpret the dream.
आरो बे सिमांखौहा बियो बिनि मिन्थियामोन ओंथिखौ
On
मिन्थियामोन
the final night,
जोबथा बे हरखालि
he was just praying.
बे अकल आरज खालामबाय थादोंमोन
He was just praying to the nature.
बेखौ बे मिथिंगानि सायाव बे आरज खालामदोंमोन
He don't know who is God.
आरो बे मिन्थियामोन इसोरासो
He kills so many people,
बे गोबां मानसिखौ सिथारबाय
but there is no joy.
नाथाय बे गासै सिथारनायाव
There is no smile.
बेहा बिदि मिनिनो हायाखैमोन
On the final day,
जोबथा सानावहा
now,
दायो
today I have to bring the strongest head.
दिनै आङो आरो मोनसेल' बिदि बोलोग्रासिननि खर'खौ लाबोनांगौ
As he was looking for a strong head,
जेब्ला बे सासे बोलोग्रासिनथारनि खर'खौ नागिरदों
there was a Western missionary,
बेयाव नुनो मोनबाय सासे सोनाबनि सासे मिसनारिखौ नुनो मोनबाय
very fair,
जोबोद बिदि गुफुर
very tall.
गोजौथार
He looks like a strong man.
बे सासे बोलोग्रा मानसि बायदि नुनो मोनदों बेखौ
When a young man saw this guy,
जेब्ला बे लाइमोन बे सेंग्रा बेखौ नुनो मोनबाय
he was so happy.
बे जोबोद रंजाबाय गोजोनबाय
After bringing this head, I will marry the princess.
बे मानसिखौ सिथारनो हाब्लानो आङो मा राजानि फिसाजोखौ आङो हाबा खालामनो हासिगोन
So he started chasing him.
जेब्ला बे बेखौ होसोनो थांबाय
After a few minutes of chasing,
जेब्ला खैथाबा मिनिटनि उनाव जेब्ला बेखौ होसोनानै मोनहैयो
the American missionary saw the miry clay, the mud that we cannot come out.
आरो बे मिसनारिया नुनो मोनबाय जे बिदि हाब्रु दङ जेखौ बे बारनो मोजां हानाय नङा
He just turned over it.
आरो बियो खेंस्लायै थांनो हमबाय
But the young man, the prince, he only looked to the head.
नाथाय बे राजकुंगुर राजागोना बे अकल बेखौल'सो नायबाय होसोबाय
So he fell inside the miry clay.
आरो बे होसोनायावनो बे हाब्रुआवहा बे गोग्लैबाय
When you go inside the miry clay, you cannot come out by yourself.
आरो बे जुदि हाब्रु बे गोथौ गोदोलाङोमोन जेब्ला बे होसोलांबाय बेनिफ्राय बे गोरलै ओंखारबोनो हायाखै
In Psalms 40 verse 2,
गितफोरनि 40 सिरियाव जों मोननो हायो
the psalmist said,
बेवहा गितफोरा बेवहा बुंदों
He brought me out from the miry clay
बेबायदि हाब्रुनिफ्राय बे बोखारना लाना फैबाय
and kept me on the rugged stone.
आरो बेयो मोनसे बोलोग्रा अन्थाइनि सायाव दोनबाय
In that unshakable faith,
आरो बेबायदि मोनसे सोमावजायि मोनसे फोथायनाय
the young man, the prince, fell down the miry clay.
बे राजकुंगुर जागोना बेबायदि हाब्रुआव गोग्लैबाय
When he killed 99 people, strong people,
जेब्ला बेयो 99 बिदि खरबोखौ लानानै फैबाय सिथारबाय
his
मानसिफोरखौ
only goal is to kill 100 heads and marry the princess.
बेनि अकल थांखिया जाहैबाय बे 100 मानसि सिथारनानै
Now-
बिदि खरबोखौ लाबोगोन आरो राजकुमारिखौ हाबा
Now he
खालामगोन
fell down on the miry clay.
नाथाय बियो बिदि हाब्रुआव गोग्लैबाय
He tried his level best to come out from that miry clay,
आरो बे हाब्रुनिफ्राय ओंखारनो गोबां नाजाबाय बियो
but he could not able to come.
नाथाय बे बेखौ मावफुंनो हायाखै
When the missionary was running and he realized that the guy didn't come.
आरो जेब्ला बे मिसनारिया खारबाय थादों आरो नुनो मोनबाय जे बे होसोग्रा मानसिया सफैयाखै
He came to sense that he might be fallen into the miry clay.
आरो बे समाव बे सानबाय जानो हागौ बे मानसिया बे हाब्रुआव गोग्लैबाय
He came back
बे थांफिनबाय
looking for the young man.
बे सेंग्राखौ नागिरहैबाय
He was almost inside the mud,
आरो नुनो मोनबाय जे बे मानसिया बे हाब्रुआव गोदोनानै दङ
and he gave the branches of a tree,
अब्ला बियो दालाय बिदि फिसाखौ बिनो हरबाय
and he's almost the young man. Now, my dear princess, his last wish.
आरो बे सानदों मोनबाय जे बे दालायखौ हरदों बे सानदों जे आंनि जोबथा जि थांखिमोन बे थांखिया
I already brought 99 heads.
आङो 99 जि खरखौ लानानै फैबाय
In the race of 100 strong heads,
आरो बे सेजौनि खर'खौ नागिरनो थांनायाव
the final head,
जि जोबथा मोनसे खर'मोन
now I'm inside the miry clay.
आरो आं बे समावनो आं बे हाब्रु गोलैनानै दोङो
I am sorry to tell you that I could not able to fulfill your dreams.
आरो बुंबाय जे आङो क्षमा खालामगोन आंखौहा आङो नोंनि सिमांखौ जाफुंसारनो हायाखिसै
When he felt that words,
आरो बे बाथ्राखौ बे बुंदों
there is a branches.
बेयाव नुनो मोनबाय जे मोनसे दालायबो दङ
He just hold it.
बे बेखौ हमबाय
The missionary pulled him out from the miry clay.
आरो बे मिशनारि बेखौहा बेनिफ्राय दैखांना लाबोबाय
He was shocked.
बियो सोमोनांबाय
He asked him, "Who are you?"
आरो बियो सोंनो हमबाय जे नोङो सोर
The missionary said, "I am the disciple of Christ.
आरो बे मिशनारि बुंबाय आङो जिसुनि उनसंग्रा व्यक्ति
I came to share the gospel.
आङो बेवहाय इसोरनि गाहाम बाथ्राखौ आं होनो फैदों
Jesus died on the cross.
जिसु ख्रीष्टआ क्रुसावहा
He
थैबाय
rose again on the third day.
आरो थामथि दिना बियो सिखारफिनबाय
And he will come back to take me and to take you."
आरो बे जिसु ख्रीष्टआ आंखौहा नोंथांखौहा लांनो फैफिनगोन बियो
So he asked him, I tried to kill him, but you saved me.
आरो बुंबाय जे नोंखौ सिथारनो नागिरदोंमोन नोंखौ
Why
बासायदों
did you save me?
नोंखौ मानो बासायखो
Jesus came to this earth
जिसु ख्रीष्टआ बे बुहुमाव फैबाय
not to kill,
सिथारनो थाखाय नङा
but to save.
नाथाय बासायनो थाखाय
So
फैबाय
I came from different country,
आङो बेवहाय गुबुन हादरनिफ्राय आङो फैदों
but you are my brother.
नाथाय नोङो आंनि फंबाय
We became a family now.
जोङो मोनसे न'खरनि बायदि जाबाय
But
जोङो
only
नाथाय अकल
when you accept Christ.
जिसुनि थाखायल'सो
So he shared the gospel and straight asked him,
आरो बे जिसु ख्रीष्टनि बाथ्राखौ बे खोन्थाबाय आरो बियो सोंबाय
"Do you want to accept the Christ today?"
नोङो जिसुखौ नाजानो इच्ছা खालामो
He said, "Yes."
आल्लाह बुंबाय नंगौ
He knelt down
बियो हान्थु खरायबाय
without knowing anything.
बे जेबो मिन्थियालासेनो
After seeing his enemy, he considered that guy, the missionary, an enemy.
बियो गावनि बेखौहा सुथुर हिसाबै होसोदोंमोन खिन्थु जेब्ला बियो बासायदों बेखौहा बे गावनि सुथुर हिसाबै नङा बेखौ बिदि नाजावदों
But he helped him.
नाथाय बियो बेखौ सहाय खालामदोंसो
He prayed for him.
आरो बे मिशनारिनो प्रार्थना
He
खालामबाय
trusted the Lord.
बियो फोरबोनियाव बरसा लाखिबाय फोथायबाय
With that unshakable faith,
आरो बेबायदि मोनसे सोमावजायै फोथायनायजोंनो
he went back.
बियो थांफिनबाय
He lived in a tree house.
बियो मोनसे बिफांनि सायाव थायोमोन
He started in search of the truth.
आरो बियो सैथोखौहा बे नागिरनो हमबाय
Before he left,
बियो थांनायनि सिगां
the missionary told him, "I live the next mountain.
आरो बे मिस्टार बुंबाय आं बे थांनायनि सिगां आं
Whenever you are in need of me."
आरो माब्लाबा जुदि आंखौ नांगौ
Come
जायोब्ला
there.
नोङो बेयाव फैदो
So when he came, after the next day,
आरो जेब्ला बियो नैथि उननि दिनाव बेयाव थाङो
his daughter was teaching the song to the children.
बेयाव नुनो मोनबाय बे सेंग्राया जे बिनि बे मिशनारि फिसाजोआ बिदि मानसिफोरनो मा मेथाइफोर फोरोंबाय थादोंमोन
Great change since I was born.
Great change since I was born बेखौ फोरोंदोंमोन
Great change since I was born.
आङो बिदि बिराद मोनसे सोलायनाय आंनि जोनोमनि उनावहा
The song I used to sing,
जि सल'खौ आङो जि मेथाइ आङो खनो
I sing them no more.
आं जि फाब खालामदों आं फाब खालामलिया
The things I used to do,
आं जि खामानिखौ मावोमोन
I do them no more.
आं बेखौ आरो मावलिया
So the melody captured his heart.
आरो बे मेथाइनि जिथु ओंथि बिदि मिलौदो बे बिनि गोसोआव नांबाय
He came there
आरो बे बेयाव थांबाय
and then he sat next to the kids.
आरो बे गथ'फोरनि खाथियावनो बे थाबाय जिरायहैबाय
And then the teacher, the daughter came and sat next to him.
आरो बे मिशनारि फिसाजोआ बिनि खाथियाव फैनानै जिरायफैबाय
Who are you?
सोंबाय जे नोङो सोर
I'm Mr. Zurimbo.
आरो बे बुंबाय आङो जुरिम्ब होनना बुंबाय
There was a man who came to me and saved me.
आरो बिदि मानसि दङमोन जाय आंखौहा बासायदों
I'm looking for him.
आरो बेखौनो नागिरबोदों
So the daughter said, I am her daughter.
आरो बे
I'm his daughter.
बे उन्दै हिन्जावसा बुंबाय आङो बिनिनो फिसाजो
So they became friends.
आरो बिदि बिथाङा लोगो जाबाय
After 7 years,
7 बोसोरनि उनावहा
they went to see the princess.
आरो बै फिसाजोखौ बिसोर नायनो थांबाय
When they came to the village,
जेब्ला बिसोरो बे गामियाव सफैबाय
the daughter of the missionary was very white,
बे मिशनारिनि फिसाजोआ गोबां गुफुरमोन
very fair.
bergufurman,
beautiful,
समायनामोन,
and the villagers thought that she's an angel.
आरो बे गामिनि मानसिफ्रा सानदोंमोन जे बे हिनजावसाया मा आखु होनना सानदोंमोन।
They were watching at them,
आरो बिसोरखौ नायदोंमोन।
and he met the princess.
आरो बियो बिनि फिसाजो बे राजकुमारीखौ लोगो मोनबाय।
As soon as he met her,
जेब्लानो बिखौ लोगो मोनबाय,
the princess asked him the first question,
जे बे राजकुमारीया सोंबाय, सेथि सोंलु सोंबाय,
where is the head?
बे खर'आलाय बहाथो?
I was the head hunter,
आङो सासे खर' दानस'ग्रा बिदि
but
व्यक्ति।
now I became a soul hunter.
नाथाय आङो दायोब्ला आङो आत्माखौ बिदि होसोग्रा
But
मानसि
she
जाबाय।
could not able to realize.
नाथाय बे राजकुमारीया बेखौ साननो हायाखैमोन, मा बाथ्रा
She could
बुंदों।
not able to understand
बियो मा बुंदों बेखौ हमनो
what is the
हायाखैमोन।
meaning of soul hunter.
आरो बे आत्माखौ होसोग्रा।
Now I accepted the Lord. Now I accepted the Lord.
आङो दायो फोरबोखौ आं नाजावबाय।
I cannot continue head hunting.
आङो बिदि खर' दानस'नो आङो मानसि सिथारनो हालिया।
So he narrated the story.
आरो बे बिदि सल'खौ खोन्थाबाय।
But the princess said, if you don't bring the 100 strong heads,
आरो बे राजकुमारीया बुंबाय, जुदिहाय नोङो 100टा खर'खौ लाबोनो हायाब्ला
my father will not accept.
आंनि आफाया नोंखौ नाजावनाय नङा।
But he said, I will meet your father.
अब्ला बुंबाय, आंनि बिफाखौ आं लोगो हमगोन।
When he came there,
आरो जेब्ला बियो थांबाय लोगो हमगोन।
where is the strong heads?
आरो बिफाया सोंबाय जे बे बोलोग्रानि खर'आ बहाथो?
Then we made a vow.
आरो बे समावहा बिदि गंलायबाय।
He said, now I became a soul hunter.
बे बुंबाय जे आङो दायो आत्माखौसो होसोग्रा आं जाबाय।
If you accept Christ,
जुदि नोङो ख्रिस्ट'खौ नाजावोब्ला
you will see heaven.
नोङो सोरगोखौ नुनो मोनगोन।
But the king could not realize.
आरो बे समाव राजाया बुजि मोनाखै। मा बुं?
He don't understand.
बियो मा बुंदों बुजि मोनाखै।
He don't understand what is heaven and hell.
बे मिन्थियाखै जे सोरगो आरो नोरगा मा बेखौ मिन्थिया।
No, I cannot give my daughter
आरो बुंबाय, नङा आंखौ दायो आंनि फिसाखौ होनो हाया नोंनो।
to the one who never fulfilled his dream.
जायनो गावनि बिदि समाय लाखानायखौ लाखिनो हायाखै, आं बिनो होनो हानाय नङा।
They went back.
बिसोरो थांफिनबाय।
He told the princess,
बियो फिसाजोखौ बुंबाय, राजकुमारीखौ
I'll
बुंबाय,
come back one day.
जे आङो सानसे समाव फैबावगोन।
To make the story short,
बे सल'खौ आङो सुंद'यै बुंनो थाखाय
he came back one day.
बियो आरो फैफिनबाय बे सेंग्राया।
He was a strong man.
बियो बोलोग्रा मानसि बे समावबो।
The king's soldiers ambushed him.
आरो बे राजानि गासै सान्थ्रिफ्रा बेखौहाय एम्बुस खालामबाय।
He was brought before the king.
आरो बेखौहाय राजानि खाथियाव लांनानै फैबाय।
I told you not to come back to this kingdom
राजाया बुंनायमोन जे नोंखौ आङो फैफिननो होआखैमोन।
unless you bring strong heads.
बे जे बोलोग्रानि खर'खौ लायागौ लाबोगौ माने फैनो हायामोन।
You came back again.
आरो नोङो फैफिनबाय।
You broke all the promises.
नोङो गासै सन्मानखौ सिफायबाय।
So now the final head
बे जोबथा जि खर' बे जाहैबाय
will be you.
बे जाबाय नोंनि खर'आनो जागोन।
Your head.
नोंनि खर'आनो जागोन।
The young man accepted.
बे लाइमोना बे सेंग्राया नाजावबाय।
Before he died,
बियो थैनायनि सिगां
before he was killed,
बियो बिखौ सिथारनायनि सिगां
he shared the gospel
बियो गाहाम बाथ्राखौ खोन्थाबाय।
that I was the head hunter.
जे आङो सासे खर'खौ दानस'ग्रा होसोग्रा मानसिमोन।
My parents were killed.
आंनि आइ आफामोना सिथारजाबाय।
We were killing each other
जोङो गावजों गाव जोङो सिथारलायदोंमोन।
without having the joy and happiness.
जोंहा बिदि गोजोननाय गैयामोन, रंजानाय गैयामोन।
I killed so many people.
आं बिदि गोबां मानसिफोरखौ सिथारबाय।
There is no smile.
आं बिदि रंजानाय गैयामोन।
There is no happiness.
जोंनि गेजेराव बिदि गोजोननाय गैयामोन।
But after accepting Christ,
आरो जेब्ला जों ख्रिस्ट'खौ नाजावबाय,
there is joy.
बेवहाय आंनि अन्तराव रंजानाय हाबबाय।
There is newness.
बेवहाय गोदान मोनसे गोसो मोननो हाबाय।
There is a great hope.
दा मोनसे गेदेर आसा आं मोननो
My
हाबाय।
faith was not shaken.
आंनि फोथायनाया बिदि सोमाव जायाखै।
Now I became a new person.
आं सासे गोदान व्यक्ति दायो आं जानो हाबाय।
Now I can die.
दायो आङो थैनो हायो।
But my soul will be in heaven.
नाथाय आंनि बे आत्माया इसोरजों लोगोसे थागोन।
If you accepted the Lord,
जुदि नोङो बे फोरबोखौ नाजावोब्ला
you'll be in heaven.
नोङो सोरगोआव थाहैनो हागोन।
He shared the gospel before he was killed.
बियो सादारनि सिगां बे गाहाम बाथ्राखौ खोन्थाबाय।
The princess plead for his life,
आरो बे राजकुमारिया बिनि जिबनखौ बासायनो बियो बिबाय बुंबाय।
but all in vain.
बे गासैबो हलाय थांबाय।
He was killed.
बियो सिथारजाबाय।
But after a few years,
ओमफ्राय बोसोरनैसो उनाव
there was a famine.
बे हादोराव बे जायगायावहा
There was a
आंखाल
drought.
जाबाय। बेवहा आंखाल जाबाय, गोरान जाजोब्बाय।
There was a lot of diseases, pandemic.
बेहा गोबां बिदि बेरामफोर जाबाय।
The king's dream was not good,
आरो बे राजानि सिमांफ्रा मोजां नङामोन
so he started calling all the people,
आरो बेखायनो बे गोबां मानसिफोर
his
लिंहरबाय
counselors.
बेनि सुबुरुन होग्राफोरखौ
He
लिंहरबाय
invited the missionaries,
बे मिशनारिफोरखौ लिंहरबाय
and he surrendered to the missionary.
आरो बे गावखौनो बे मिशनारिफोरनो गथायनानै होबाय
I'm really sorry.
बुंबाय जे आंखौ निमाहा हो
Share me the gospel.
आरो बिदिहाय गाहाम बाथ्राखौ खोनाबाय
So he accepted the Lord.
आरो बेबो बे गाहाम बाथ्राखौ नाजाफोरखौ
This is
नाजावबाय
the story of a village in Manipur.
आरो बे बाथ्राया जाहैबाय बे सल'आ जाहैबाय मणिपुरनि बे मोनसे
Why I'm sharing this story?
आं बे सल'खौ मानो खोन्थादों
The young man faith
बे सासे लाइमोननि जिथु फोथायनाय
stood firm.
बे गोग्गोमै गसंना थाबाय
Faith of Abraham,
आब्राहामनि जिथु फोथायनाय
the faith of Moses,
मसीनि जिथु फोथायनाय
the faith of Abraham,
आब्राहामनि जिथु फोथायनाय
Rahab,
राहाबनि फोथायनाय
Esther,
एस्टरनि फोथायनाय
never shaken.
बेगा माब्लाबाबो समाव जायाखैमोन
Because they can know the true God.
मानोना बिथांमोना नंगुबै इसोरखौ मिथिदोंमोन
As we gather today here,
दिनै जों बेयाव जुथुमदों
what faith you have?
दिनै नोंथाङा माबायदि फोथायनाय दङ
Is your faith unshakable?
नोंथांनि फोथायनाया सोमाव जायोना
Is your faith shakable?
नोंनि फोथायनाया सोमाव जाग्राना
Why we are here today?
दिनै जों बेयाव मानो दङ
Why we are on this earth?
जोङो दिनै बे बुहुमाव मानो दङ
Life is meeting and departing.
जोंनि बे जिबना थांगोन बे बारलांगोन
There is a place called heaven for those who accept Christ.
जायफोर ख्रिस्ट' नाजाव बिथांमोनहा बिदि सोरगो होननाय जायगा दङ
But there is a place called hell
दा बेबायदि जायगा दङ बेखौ जोङो नोरोग
for those who reject Christ.
जायफ्रा ख्रिस्ट'खौ नेवसि
The
बिथांमोनहा
young man realized,
बे सासे लाइमोना साननो हादोंमोन
though I kill so many people,
जुदि आं गोबां मानसिफोरखौ सिथारबाय
there is no joy in my heart.
आंनि गोसोआव बिदि रंजानाय गैयामोन
But accepting the Lord,
नाथाय फोरबोखौ नाजावनायनि
I
उनावहाय
have happiness.
आंहा रंजानाय दङ
I know the true meaning of life.
आङो बे जिबननि सैथो बाथ्राखौ मिथिनो हादों
Let us join our hands together in winning souls.
दिनै जों लोगोसेयै आत्मा जय खालामजों
Though we may be from different places,
जुदि जों गुबुन गुबुन जायगानि जानो हागौ
though we may be from different villages,
जुदि जों गुबुन गुबुन जायगानि गामि
though we may be different tribes,
जुदि जों गोबां गुबुन गुबुन जातिनि जानो हागौ
under the banner of Christ,
नाथाय बे ख्रिस्ट'नि जिथु बेनार बिनि सिङाव
we became one family.
जोङो मोनसे न'खरनि जाबाय
The Christian missionary from abroad,
बे ख्रिस्टान मिशनारि जायफ्रा बाहेरनिफ्राय फैदोंमोन
they travel thousands of miles.
बिथांमोना बिदि गोबां हाजार हाजार किल'मिटार बिथांमोना हान्थिदोंमोन
They came by ship.
जाहाजजों फैदों
I have traveled with big ships cruise.
आङो बिदि गेदेर जाहाजाव आङो हान्थिनो मोन्दों दावबायनो मोन्दों
It's very comfortable.
बिराद जोबोर मोजां
Sometimes when there is a tufan,
माब्लाबा बिदिहाय जुदि दोहौफोर जायोब्ला
when the wave is very strong,
जेब्ला बे दोहौआ बोलोगोराथार जायो
we feel nervous.
जोङो गिनाय मोनो
Those days,
बै समाव
the missionaries came by small boats.
बै समाव मिशनारिफ्रा बिदि फिसा बिदि जाहाजफोरजोंसो फैदोंमोन
They travel months and months.
बिथांमोना बिदि मास बिदि दावबायबोदोंमोन
But the faith that they had
नाथाय बिथांमोननि जिथु फोथायनाय बिथांमोना दङमोन
are very strong.
दा बे बोलोगोराथारमोन
They came here and shared the gospel.
बेवहाय फैनानै बिथांमोना इसोरनि गाहाम बाथ्राखौ खोन्थाफैदों
In Manipur, in Mizoram, Nagaland,
बे मणिपुरावहा मिज'रामावहा नागालेण्डआव होफैदों
in Assam,
आसामावहा इसोरनि गाहाम बाथ्राखौ होफैदों
they faced a lot of challenges.
बिथांमोननि जिउ गोबां समस्या मोगा मोगि जादों बिथांमोना
But with one goal.
नाथाय बिथांमोननि मोनसे थांखिजों
That
फैनायाव
goal is to share the gospel.
आरो बे थांखिया जाहैबाय इसोरनि गाहाम बाथ्राखौ होनायनि जिथु थांखि
Our life is very short.
जोंनि जिबना सुंद'थार
As we gathered to this conference,
दिनै बे कनफारेन्सआव जुथुमनायावनो
let us be an example to the unbelievers.
जोङो जायफ्रा फोथाया बिथांमोननि दिन्थि जों जानो
Let us move forward.
जोङो लोगोसे जों आवगायलांनि
Let us witness Christ
जोङो ख्रिस्ट'खौ जों साखि होनि
and bring more souls
आरो जों गोबां आत्माफोरखौ जों लाबोनि ख्रिस्ट'नियावहा
and expand God's kingdom.
आरो इसोरनि रायजोखौ जोङो बिदि फुवारनि
This afternoon,
बे बेलासि समाव
we have heard about the unshakable faith.
जोङो बे समाव जाय फोथायनायनि सोमोन्दै जों खोनादों
We have heard about the stories in the Bible.
जोङो इसोरनि बे बाइबेलाव थानाय इसोरनि सल'फोरनि बाथ्राखौ
We have
मिथिदों
heard about the young man in Northeast.
आरो जों बे नर्थ इस्टआव थानाय सासे लाइमोननि बाथ्रा जों खोनानो मोनबाय
Now we have a lot of conflicts around the world.
जोंनि बुहुमाव नुनो मोनो गोबां बिदि दाङाबाजि नुनो मोनो
In Manipur,
मणिपुरावहाय
in Assam,
आसामावहाय
throughout the world.
गासै बुहुमावनो नुनो मोनो
Because of land,
बिदि हादरनि थाखाय
because of power,
बिदिहाय पावारनि थाखाय
because of the borders.
बिदिहाय सिमाफोरनि लागै
But Jesus clearly speaks
नाथाय जिसु ख्रिस्ट'आ रोखायै बुंदों
in the Bible,
बाइबेला खोन्थादों
win more souls.
जे मा गोबां आत्माखौ जय खालाम
Our life is very short.
जोंनि जिबना सुंद'थार
So let us move forward
बेखायनो जोङो लोगोसे आवगायनि
and bring more souls.
आरो जों गोबां आत्माखौ जय खालामनि
I will conclude with one song.
आङो मोनसे मेथाइजों फोजोबनो इच्ছা खालामदों
Thank you so much once again.
बयखौबो गोबांथार हामबाय होनबाय
Okay. He's my Lord and my God, I'm failing love. He will never, never let me down. Yes, I know that's true. Oh, in Him my Lord, I saw the light. When the sun goes down, when the moon goes down, when the stars stop shining, when the rivers turn dry, I'll never turn back. Oh, never turn back, 'cause my Lord is calling me home. Oh, never, never turn back, 'cause my Lord is calling me home. When the sun goes down, when the moon goes down, when the stars stop shining, when the rivers turn dry, I'll never turn back. Oh, never turn back, 'cause my Lord is calling me home. Oh, never, never, never turn back, 'cause my Lord is calling me home. 'Cause my Lord is calling me home. 'Cause my Lord is calling me home. Thank you.